Outside look overcast. Wow, wow. Hi, guys. I need my glasses. Let's go again. Because sun are ting my eyes. Let's get my glasses. It's nice and cool outside because it's overcast. Look at that. Oh, it's rain too. It's drizzling.
I know, they're right.
Mm.
And just changing this whole, like a de facto change.
I'm gonna go inside back because it's drizzling, guys. It's drizzling. It's gonna rain. How you all doing? It's rain time.
I guess maybe I could sort of approach it like that.
It's nice and cool, but it's drizzling. It is drizzling. It is drizzling. Don't want to catch any cold, so I'm going back inside. It's drizzling. Okay. So guys, it's drizzling on the outside, so I'm back inside. Remember these? This is Dazzling Diamond Bath and Body Works sanitizer. I didn't use these in the heights of COVID because the alcohol level never did match up. How much alcohol in this? I don't remember. No, since afterwards still first time one them never have too much. But now it's saying that. So I guess it can be used. Welcome in, guys. Welcome in. Welcome. It's raining on the outside. How are you all doing? What you have for lunch? Talk to me. Wanna talk to me? YouTube have one new features. It tells me about something. How y'all doing, guys? Auntie's still stuck. Oh my god. I will never travel on that airline. Never, ever, ever, ever travel on that airline. Never. My airline is JetBlue. Never ever travel on Delta. But they're the one mostly having the issues now, and persons who book on them are stranded, unfortunately. Um, them have some good money for pay out, I guess, because a lot of people business mash up plans, everything. But Auntie comfortable, she alright. She can stay in New York for a little while, even though she wants to go back to her children. Yeah, but because of the situation, she make herself comfortable. I'm happy for that. Yeah. So how you all doing? What's going on? What for lunch? What for lunch? Mm-hmm. It's a little bit cooler. Temperatures changes today. So outside is overcast. I'll show you guys. Outside overcast. Outside overcast. Outside, see the sky? I'm gonna see the sky now. Yeah, but it's overcast today, so. And it was drizzling. Welcome in, guys. Like up the live. Like up the live, guys. Welcome in, like the live. Like up the live. Welcome in. I'm not here for very long because I believe Auntie's on live, but because it's my daily routine, I didn't come live yesterday, so I decided to pop in for half an hour or less just to say hi and thank you. Just to say hi and thank you guys for watching my videos. Thank you for watching my reel on FB. Thank you for following me on FB. Thank you for following me on TikTok and Boots. Yeah. Thank you so much. Not okay. Oh, that's what they call community moderation. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. I don't want that. I want I don't want that. So I could
Yeah, total dark hair.
Chup, 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 chup. Thank you guys for coming in. Thank you so much for liking the live. Hey, thank you so. Who that? Who that I show? Look for my daughter now. I give me eyes. Hi, Momo. Hi. Hi, Momo. Guys, this is my daughter. That's my daughter there. My one and only. Yes, she are there giving me the eyes. Pure eyes, the kids there. Passing. I'm going over here, so. You know, see, me I do live. I first catch one of my live more. I'm always on live, mostly afternoon, lunchtime. Yeah, that means you're not watching mommy videos. Jeez, you're not watching mommy videos. You should be watching mommy videos. It says, you watch it, you don't watch nothing. So you know, so me come live this time. Hi guys, welcome in. Like up the live to money. You like, share the live. Guys, my daughter is on. Welcome her, and some persons are on but they're not saying anything. Real G, they're not coming. Oh, yes. Okay, forget, yeah. Because at this time, I do lunch over. Live. Long time I don't do any at home, just, my lunchtime. I normally do my walking, but outside it's raining. It's drizzling, so I'm not bother go. It look like it rain hard now. It was drizzling, so I'm turn back. It's overcast. Yep. Guys, all you have to do is just tap the screen, and it will light it up. Just tap it with your hand. Tap it, and the lights will add. Where's Zai? Show Zai. Say, Zai, this is grandma here on live. And the way she do, and way she or her face look when she look and see me. Maybe I say, who that? Is who that? Who is that? Yeah. Unfortunately, it's not TikTok. So when you double tap or triple tap or whatever, tap is just one, like you get still. You just need to do it one time, and that's it. No more. Yeah. Welcome in, guys. And my daughter is online. Welcome her. If any of my other renters are here, maybe not here today, because once done have a live going, that's why I say I soon come off. 15 minutes, I'm gonna come off, and then finish. They will watch this video. Yeah. My nose look big. Hi, Zai. Zai. Me soon gone too. Just a couple minutes. Yeah, 15 minutes now. I'm gone. Soon lunch hour soon finish too. Thank you for coming in for the first time with my daughter on my live. Good to have you. See your renter, so you just roll in and just come in, come take off any comment you don't like. Okay? Delete them, block them, whatever. That's what that is for. That's what that means. Okay. Okay, so when my friend them subscriber them come later now, them see this video and them watch it, like it, and share it. So I am going to be signing out. If you're having a birthday, happy birthday. If you're having an anniversary, happy anniversary. If you're mourning in any way, shape, or form, my condolences, hugs, hugs, hugs. If your flight has cancelled, just bear with them. They're trying to fix the situation. Just find something to do productive while waiting to get another flight, okay? I sympathize with everyone who have not been able to go on their flight as scheduled. Thank you so much for joining, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, Monique. Kiss dial for me. Bye, guys. Take care. Whoosh, I'm out of here. Sure, it was Sharing just a come in. Sharing just reached. Sharing, my daughter is on. Momo Kildare is my daughter. Big her up for me. Welcome her. We just was signing out because we were here having a conversation to ourselves. Because the others, them just here looking. Yeah, so I know when you come, Kerry Berry come, and the others will have conversation with me, but the others are here just here looking, not a word. But yeah, so you're just getting us slugging off. But guys, show Sharing some love. She has lost her brother and she's in mourning, but we mourn with her, so our love and hugs to Shireen. Yes, that's my one and only daughter there, Shireen. Yeah. 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 I was just hanging up in a Shireen. You get back light now? Shireen is from St. Elizabeth. So she's near you. You get back light now? Is everything well? I see people still a quarrel from St. Yeah, still no current. Oh God. So sad. Yeah, she's from St. Elizabeth. Still no light. Ooh, that's almost 3 weeks. Yeah, that's almost 3 weeks, you know. That means St. did really mash up. Really mash up. Maybe them having a difficulty replacing the power lines and the, you call it now? It always makes some holy sound. Them something them having difficulty, so maybe that's why. Yeah. But I'm praying, I'm hoping, I'm praying for you, Shireen. You get back light soon. JPS, hurry up with the light for St. Elizabeth. We know it is difficult and it may be hard, but little by little. We appreciate every JPS worker. I know it can't be easy out there after the storm trying to repair all those systems, but yeah. 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 So I'm asking you, please, guys, to hurry with the fixing. Hurry, get the help and fix, because it's not nice. Maybe Cherry not have no JPS person living in our area, because they try to look out for their area most time and fix their areas. Areas where, you know, they call it emergency building, hospital, those things. They try to fix those places. Wires still hanging in the road. That's dangerous. Well, no light, not in there, so that's. But it's still dangerous because what if person walking in the night because there's no light to see. That's so sad. I'm so sensitive mash up. My God. But I pray that they're using JDF to help the pool. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Jesus, that new scented flat. Baby. Ooh. Hope they get this done before school. Okay. Hi, Christopher Billett. Hi. Hi. So guys, yes, I am logging out now. So conversation was nice. How are you doing? I'm doing great. I don't know who is Christopher, but yes, Christopher, welcome into my life. I'm doing great, and I hope you are too. Okay. Have a great day. Thank you. Same to you. Have a great day, everyone. Rest of the day. Stay safe. Love you all. Take care. I know when I'm about to leave, my lunch hour finish at 1. I barely have any time leave. So you barely catch me. Well, you can go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and you can go ahead and follow me on Facebook at Ann Booth. Yes. Do you always watch, or is the first time, Christopher? It seems like you always watch. But you can follow my page. I just did. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much. You can follow me on FB, same way, and Booth. Your first time? Oh, welcome in, guys. Welcome, Christopher. Welcome, glad you are here. Glad you passed through. I'm happy to have you over here. Yes, thank you so much for coming in. Yeah. So, as I was saying, I was about to leave. I was about to leave a long time, much in time. I'm still sitting down until I get a new subscriber, a new person came in. That is awesome. Thank you so much, Christopher. Yeah, thank you. So, guys, take care. Have yourself a wonderful rest of the day. See you on my next live, maybe tomorrow. I normally come in at 12:30, Christopher. So if you're available around tomorrow, any day, just look out for it. I normally come on at that time. All right. Thank you so much, and you can go ahead and look on my other videos. I have a lot of videos there. If you notice, cooking, smoothies, everything is there. Go ahead and watch it and share. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Whoosh, I'm out of here. Bye.